Hey guys, it's Sanskriti and I'm back with another video. Today I'm doing something very questionable. I'm going to be coloring my hair blue, including bleaching my hair at home all by myself. I'm very nervous to do this, but I've always gotten my hair colored blue from the salon and I just really wanted to try it out myself. So before I start, let me just show you what you need. So there's a developer. I'm using level 40. Two bleach sachets. I'm going to be using crazy color, blue jade and sky blue. A plastic bowl, not a metal one, it has to be plastic, and applicating brush, gloves and some aluminum foil. So yeah, let's start. Sanskriti's great YouTube videos. So first I'm going to mix the developer in a 1:2 ratio. So first the developer as in the bigger portion, and then the bleach will be half of the developer. Guys, so bleach is obviously not something you're supposed to mess around with. It's really strong. So please wear gloves when you do it and make sure to section your hair out before you begin. I just want to do the front parts of my hair for now, and if that turns out well, then maybe in the future I have one more packet of bleach, so I'll do the back side as well. So I've just mixed the developer and the bleach over here. My bleach was blue in color. This is why the color looks like this. And I'm just going to apply it in 2 sections here and 2 sections here, and then cover it in foil. So I'll do that and get back to you guys. Okay guys, so I've applied the bleach and hair developer mixture to my hair, and I've wrapped it in aluminum, and then I double wrapped it. So 2 sections here, 2 sections here, and then all together one section. And with the leftover bleach, I was just really tempted, so I just took the rest of my hair up in a pony and just put the remaining bleach on it. I really hope it turns out good. I'm so nervous. I'm going to leave this on for 30 to 45 minutes and then rinse it out with lukewarm water. I'm so scared. Okay, so I've left it on for around 45 minutes and rinsed it out. So here's how it's looking. It's like brownish blonde. I don't know how I feel about it. So I've grown to like it. I think it's a nice shade of brownish blonde. So I'm going to keep it like this. Thanks for watching, guys.